Unfortunately, we can't have you actually in the building to get to experience all the great things that TCTC and the Exercise Science and Sports Medicine program has to offer. So what I'm going to try to do tonight, I'm going to try to show off as much as I can so that you can kind of get an idea of what we would do here in this program, okay? So I'm going to share my screen and show you a slideshow here to give you some information about TCTC. All right, so just a little bit about me first here, Logan. So I graduated from Poland High School, and then I went on to get my bachelor's in athletic training from Duquesne University. And then I got my master's in education from Kent State University. Before joining the TCTC family in 2014, I worked for 8 years as a certified athletic trainer at different high schools, either in Pennsylvania or here in Ohio. So I did that before joining the program when it started in 2014. So I have been the instructor since the inception of the program when it first started. So when we look at career technical education, we know that it is a very tough decision for you to try to leave your home school and come here. So some of the things to keep in mind when we talk about CTE. So TCTC is a nationally recognized career and tech center. We service all 20 school districts here in Trumbull County. So we have a big mix of different students that are coming here to experience all the great things that our school has to offer. Graduation rates for CTE students are generally higher than non-CTE students. So coming here, you're going to look at a better opportunity to graduate more successfully. Usually CTE students are a lot better prepared for future careers. We're going to give you real world skills and experience that's going to help you be successful in whatever career field or post-secondary education path you decide to go on once you've left us. So the Exercise Science and Sports Medicine program, it's actually a 2-year program. The first year, the junior year, is based on the sports medicine side of it. So you get to learn injury recognition, management, evaluation, rehabilitation skills. We also do a lot of hands-on things, like you get to learn how to tape different injuries. We learn things like crutch fitting and how to teach people how to walk properly on crutches. The senior year is focused more on the exercise science side of it. So you're actually dual enrolled in the National Academy of Sports Medicine Certified Personal Trainer course. So that means you get to learn how to become a personal trainer, teaching people proper lifting techniques, how to do it safely, designing exercise and training programs, and then we learn some nutrition and supplementation information as well. Some great things that you can come out of TCTC with in our program is you get a lot of certifications. So you're going to get a certification over your 2 years in CPR and first aid. We also do a concussion management certification through the National Federation of High School Sports. So that means when you leave here, you're able to recognize and care for someone that has suffered a concussion. The biggest certification that we try to get you guys here is at the end of your senior year, the school actually pays for you to take a certification exam that if you pass it, you can become a certified personal trainer. So that means as soon as you graduate from TCTC, you can go out and get a job at a fitness facility and start working as a personal trainer, making some really great money, way better than you would make at, a fast food place. Plus, it helps you prepare if you want to go on to college in anything sports medicine or exercise science related. In addition, this program offers you the ability to earn 9 college credits in 3 different courses. And the best part about that is it's for free. So that means that when you graduate from our program, you could already be 9 credits into your college degree and haven't had to pay a single penny yet. So that's definitely a benefit of coming here to this exercise science and sports medicine program. So if you're considering coming here, a couple things to keep in mind. To be admitted to the program, you have to have a proficient score on your end of course science exam. We highly suggest that you have strong reading and writing skills. It's definitely going to benefit you to be successful. You must have a cumulative GPA of 2.5 or above. We suggest that you have a C or above in algebra and biology. In addition, we emphasize that you have a positive attendance record. Attendance is really, really important when it comes to attending a class at TCTC because we do so much in class that's hands-on. If you miss a lot of school, then it's really going to make it a lot more difficult to be successful. So all of those things are really beneficial in coming to TCTC in this program. Another really cool thing about our school here is that we're actually an Apple Distinguished School. So we're actually only 1 of 400 schools in the entire world that has earned this distinguished honor. So every single staff and student in our school has an Apple iPad to use to enhance our education and our learning experience. We also use some specific programs in our class to help supplement the curriculum, help you learn things better, retain information better. Those are listed there. Health Center 21, it helps supplement lessons. Dean Vaughn is our medical terminology course that we use. So we are very technologically savvy, which is kind of a cool thing that you can experience coming here as well. In the program itself, we have a very strong retention rate. So that means that students come here, they fall in love with the program, and they stick it out and complete their 2 years here. We have a 100% retention rate with our most recent graduating class. The majority of our students that graduate from the Exercise Science and Sports Medicine program are usually college bound. So they have enrolled in a college or university in some kind of healthcare, exercise science, or sports medicine field to advance their career. So most of our students typically are going to be college bound students. The nice thing about our program is that it gives you a foundational knowledge that would help you succeed in any healthcare industry. So you can see here the job market is very, very high and positive numbers coming in the future for so many healthcare occupations out there. So our program, even though you may come in thinking, I really want to be an athletic trainer, and then halfway you're like, I don't know that that's really the good fit for me. I think I'd rather be a radiology technician, right? That is still something that you can easily transition to after you've graduated from our program, because we give you that base knowledge that's going to help you transition and transfer into any other field in healthcare that you may find interesting. Employment opportunities. So there's a lot of different avenues, like I said, that you can go into after you've left our program. The biggest thing, obviously, is our goal is to get you to pass that certification exam so that you can go and be a personal trainer. So that's something we can do for you immediately when you graduate from TCTC. Other things you can look into that a lot of students have gone into: radiology technician, occupational therapy assistant is a very popular one, as well as physical therapy assistant, athletic trainer. We also have some students that have gone on to school for a nutritionist or to become a dietitian. So there's a lot of different opportunities to branch off once you've gained the foundational knowledge from our program to go on to a post-secondary career. At TCTC, we actually have what we call the 3E campaign. So the 3E campaign is we want every single one of our students to either be enrolled, enlisted, or employed. So when we're looking at employment and being enrolled, we use this career tree to help students visualize the different levels, the careers, and the certifications or specializations or experiences that are required of those jobs. So we take a look at this as part of our employability program so that students can get a better idea and research some of those occupational options that are out there after you've graduated from high school. So what's really nice about TCTC, like I said, is that you're pulling from a very big population, the entire county. So we have a lot of kids that come from all over the place that have a lot of different backgrounds and experiences. So unlike your homeschool, you're going to get to meet a lot of really new and fun people. We know that it's really, really hard to make that decision to leave your homeschool, but rest assured that you can still be a part of the activities that happen at your homeschool. You can still play sports, you can still be a part of the band or choir, or if you're involved in any of the clubs, if you do the plays, drama club, any of those things, you can still actively be a part of those. Oftentimes, kids that come to this program are athletes. Varsity athletes play multiple sports, and those are things that you can still do even if you choose to come to TCTC to gain that educational experience. So you can see a lot of our students have found great success from the things, the skills, the preparation that they've gained from joining our program. So hopefully that would be something that you would really consider to help advance your education. At TCTC, so you come here for the program, but you also get some really great academic instruction here too. Our academic teachers are outstanding. So during your 2 years here, you'll get 2 math credits, 2 English credits, and actually for our program, you get 2 science credits because as a junior in our program, you have a dedicated anatomy and physiology course. So you actually get to earn an extra science credit as part of our program directly. And then you're also going to earn that government credit that everybody has to have in order to graduate. Another really great perk to TCTC. So not only can you earn those college credits through our program directly, but in addition, you can also learn college credits in English and in math through Kent State and YSU. And just like for our program, the biggest benefit is that you don't have to pay a dime for any of these. So you can go into college having earned English, math, and up to 9 credits from our program directly. So all of these things are really beneficial to consider when you're weighing your options as far as coming here to TCTC. So you can see we have quite a variety of options for those college credit plus opportunities for you to look into. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to share a video. So what I've done is, since you can't actually get in here into the lab with us and experience all the really cool things that we get to do in this class and learn, what I've done is I've tried to put together a video to give you an idea of some of the skills, some of the activities, some of the hands-on things that we learn in this program, so you can get a better idea of what your experience would be if you choose to come to us next year. We've also included some testimonies from alumni, so you can see what other kids have experienced and how they felt about coming to TCTC. Okay, so when we're done with the video, we'll wrap it up, answer any questions that you may have. So I'm going to go ahead and play this for you now.
Hi, my name is Jasmine, and I completed the Exercise Science and Sports Medicine program in 2017. Currently, I am in my senior year of nursing school at Kent State Trumbull, and so while I ended up choosing a different college path than I originally thought I was going to when I first joined the program, a lot of the information has been able to translate into my classes and many of the experiences I've had so far. The program really does set you up with a great base to succeed in any college or career field that you may end up choosing. While at TCTC, there's a lot of ways to get involved and to get ahead. One of those is by taking the College Credit Plus classes, so you can earn free college credit right at the school while you're in high school. Those allowed me to be ahead of many of my classmates at Kent, and it also saved me a lot of time and a lot of money.
Hi everyone, thanks for attending TCTC's open house. My name's Carson Walker. I graduated from the exercise science program here at TCTC in 2019, and I'm currently pursuing a bachelor's degree in athletic training at Kent State University. Back in my sophomore year of high school, I was starting to play soccer, and I was pursuing some interest in fitness because obviously I was starting to play soccer, getting more fit and everything like that. I wanted to understand the science behind it and why things worked the way that they did. So I heard about the exercise science program here at TCTC, and I decided to go through with it. It was honestly kind of tough leaving my home school behind, but it was ultimately the right decision for me. If I had not chose to pursue the exercise science program at TCTC, I would be nowhere near where I am today. I currently, at 19 years old, have a certification, and I am in my sophomore year of college, which is crazy for being 19. And none of it would have happened if I hadn't taken that first leap of faith to the exercise science program. It has expanded my knowledge beyond my belief, and I am one of the lead trainers here at my studio, all because I decided to pursue the exercise science program. I absolutely recommend it. If you love fitness or anything exercise and want to actually understand how things work, please make the decision to pursue the exercise science program. I have gotten just great knowledge and great skills out of this program, such as taking care of clients, being able to talk to people, and just general skills for the world. I mean, that's all you can really ask for, right?
I'm a huge advocate for making the jump from your home school to TCTC. While I can't recommend the exercise science program enough, no matter which program you do end up choosing, I hope you make the best of it and take advantage of every opportunity you're able to get during the 2 years here and really make yourself a success story from the school.
It would potentially change your life and give you a career path for the future.
All right, so as you can see, we are really, really lucky in this program. We have really a state-of-the-art facility here. We have pretty much any piece of fitness equipment that you could possibly imagine. We do some really, really cool hands-on things, a lot of interactive elements to this class. So, we really hope that you take some time, consider coming to TCTC. I know Mrs. Wright and I are a little bit biased, but we think it's a great opportunity for any high school student to take advantage of all the things the TCTC has to offer, specifically this exercise science and sports medicine program. So I want to thank you so much. If you have any questions, feel free to unmute, ask any questions, or you can send them in the chat. Mrs. Wright and I are here to answer any questions that you may have.